This is our color kit. Learning about colors represents a leap in your child's cognitive and learning development. They will begin to connect color names with all different kinds of hues and shades of color that they see in their everyday life. The color kit makes learning about colors fun, hands-on, and interactive. Find everything you need to begin learning colors in this kit. This is our Little Landmarks puzzle. Inspired by iconic landmarks around the world, your child can practice matching pieces by color, solving the puzzle, and even creating their own unique landmarks. Use the booklet for additional challenges. Why get messy with paint when you can use water instead? Dip the paintbrush in the water and paint across the black and white pages of our magic painting set. Watch as colors slowly appear to create a colorful scene. Once your child is done, dry the sheets and color them again next time. Our macaroon pull cart is a 3-in-1 toy that encourages your child to walk while pulling a toy behind them to promote balance and coordination. They can also separate the macaroons and practice matching the right colors together, and use them for pretend play too. Use our rainbow cards to practice identifying and matching colors. Can you make a blue pig? How about a pink frog? Mix and match 27 cutout pieces for creative play and language development. Learn about the importance of kindness and sharing with our alligator's accessories set while practicing the ability to follow simple directions. Follow the story and help Alligator put on his accessories. Each kit comes with our signature play journal. Find out more information about your child's development at this stage while discovering simple activities that you can do at home to promote bonding, playing, and learning.